Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have got Roccabox, and it is the birthday edition of Roccabox. So yeah, it is. I'm just checking to see if my mic is on. It is. We're all ready to go. So yeah, birthday edition of Roccabox. I told you, didn't I? Yeah, Roccabox is £13. £13.25 or £30 and 19.95. £13.95, I think. I don't know. I'll check it and put it on the screen somewhere. So Roccabox is a monthly subscription beauty box, if you really want to know what it is, and you get some fantastic treats in there. It would be alright if I showed you it like that, but Roccabox is generally one of my favourite boxes of the month, so yeah, let's just get into it. Okie doke. It says the beauty box that's more than just skin deep, and we have got some lovely things in there. I haven't put any makeup on today because I knew I was going to get this box, so I thought, well, we'll do a proper review, and if I get any skincare I will be able to show you it. Right, so first of all you get one of these. Now I won't be using it because I don't drink alcohol, but you're free to use it. And there is the code. Just stop the video and you can use the code. The unique code is RCWBCMXP. Oh, there it is. So there it is. And that is virgin wines. So, and you get £50 off. Right, so I'm going to show you this box before I see it, and you can see what you think of it. We got some wiggly worms in there. I'll just try and move the worms about a bit so you can just have a look. Right, okay, so I'm just going to pick out an item. I have no idea what is in here. So this is the biggest item, and we got an Umberto Gianni, and it's like a big product like that. These are really good for your hair. I've heard of this before, and I've used this brand before, but I've never ever come across this product before. They really are usually good. I usually buy them, and I can't pronounce that name. Umberto Gianni, I think that's it. Yeah, so this is a repair and restore leave-in conditioner. So yeah, and it's vegan and cruelty free, which is a thumbs up. So I like that. Oh wow. Oh, it smells like bananas and coconut. Oh, look at that. It really is yellowy and banana-y and coconutty. So I'm just going to try it. It comes like that. I would suggest that you wet your hair, but I'm just going to use a little bit on my ends just to do a review. Oh, it smells lovely. But I would suggest, yes, wash your hair, then I would suggest you rinse it out probably. Do you rinse this one out? It says restore the bounce, shine and manageability to thirst curls. This is a silicone-free repairing and moisturizer leave-in conditioner. Your new wonder product to repair, strengthen and defrizz. It's a naturally and super curly hair without weighing it down. So it says how to use. Smooth through wet hair and glide through your fingers to detangle and coat every curl. Do not rinse. So it's a non-rinse one, so that's good. So yeah, finish with your favourite curling style and product. Oh wow. Oh, it smells gorgeous. I do like that one. So that's a pretty good start. And then we're going to pull out some of these worms because we always get loads of them in Roccabox. So we're just going to put them to one side. And we have in here a calamine lavender spirulina. And this is half a lemon, mint, cinnamon, Himalayan salt drop of maple. I have no idea what that is. Is it a shake, snack, or do you put it on your skin? Right, let's just find out what it is. It does have a nutritional information on there, so I'm wondering what it is. So is this a drink? And it just is. So it says, I'm going to have to refer to the card on this because I don't know what that is. Right, so it says on the card that this is a Bumble Zest Calm and Comfort Superfood Shot Drink. So yeah, so it says, you know we love to treat you well, so we've included an extra little nutrient. It's a packed boost in this month's box. And the RRP price for this is £2.40, and you can get this at bumblezest.co.uk. Discount first 10 will get 10% off. Okay, so this looks like it's a superfood shot drink, so I'm going to try it. What are we supposed to be having in here is lavender. I've never tried lavender, and I've never tried spirulina. Okay. Wow, so it has like a very mild lavender scent, and that is it. It is like a bit like, I can taste the mint and I can taste the lemon. There is half a lemon in here, and mint and the cinnamon, I can definitely taste that. The maple syrup is not really overpowering. I really couldn't tell that was in, but there is only a drop of it in. So, my overall thoughts is like, it's not for the faint-hearted of a drink. It's like, it is like a proper health drink, but it is nice. I do like it. My partner wouldn't like that at all. He does not like this type of stuff, but I like it. It's quite nice. Right, okay, moving on to the star of the show, which is not me, which is this. It is the Huda Beauty Lip Crayon. And I got this in Trendsetter. Okay, so there we go. Let's just get into it. It looks like that. And I'm just going to whack this straight on my lips. Oh, I'm making a few mistakes. Okay, I think that it is a little bit too dark for me, but I like it. It's okay. I will use it. Anyway, I'll show you it when it's not on my face. So yeah, that is the colour there. Right, and then we got a Smashbox primer. That is one of my favourite primers. It looks to be just like a teeny weeny sample though. So we'll see what it says. This is the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Foundation Primer. It is a good primer. Yes, it is. I've used it. Is a necessity in any beauty addict's makeup bag, and this Smashbox Photo Finish Gel Formula is my go-to. I love using this before a night out to give me a really flawless finish. Seriously, this stuff is like a photo shoot in a bottle. Not only does it fill any lines and visible pores for any ultra flawless finish, it also keeps your makeup in place all night long. Top tip: keep it in your handbag. It works wonders as a touch-up on your top of your makeup. So the RRP price of this is £6.63 and we got a deluxe sample of it. So there it is. And you can get that at smashbox.co.uk. So, okay, so that is that one. Oh, this one is £9 and it says, I'm always looking for ways to keep the shine without weighing my logs down. And this leave-in conditioner is an absolute godsend. It smells divine and is all vegan. So friendly on the planet as well as your mane. Apply mine to wet hair before blow drying and it leaves my hair looking seriously silky. Then when my hair is really in need of some R&R, I dilute some in a spray bottle with water and spritz my ends throughout the day. I might try that. That's a good tip, that one actually. So yeah, that is good. £9 for that. Oh, I'll tell you a bit about this box, who is the founder of this box. So it says this month is extra special as it marks our 3rd birthday, and to mark this special occasion we wanted to celebrate all the amazing women who have made it possible. Mothers, sisters, friends, female girl bosses. We couldn't do it without you, so to say thank you we've gathered up some of our absolute must-have heroes, so products for you to try in this month. Okay, so that's why we're getting some of the products that I've already seen, like this one, and Smashbox was a brand that we always used to get, going back maybe it's about a year ago. And this one as well, which is the OK Gently Warming Facial Steam Mask. Oh, super looking forward to that tonight. We used to always get this brand as well in our beauty boxes. It's a really good one. And it is from OK. And this is a Korean face mask. I didn't even have to look at it. I knew it was a Korean face mask. Super good. So yeah, that's the facial steam one. It has the directions on the back if you need to know how to use that. And finally, this was in most of the beauty boxes last year and I really did enjoy using it. And so this is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. It really is a good one. Come on camera, be nice to me. So yeah. And whoa, just gonna drop my box. Right, so let's just, so it comes out looking like that. It's retinol cream, and retinol is one that you should use on a night. That's super. It makes my skin go super shiny. It's not coming, the camera's not doing it much justice, but off the camera it is looking really, really shiny about here. It really is. It's very hydrating. It's really nice. It has a very nice subtle smell to it. It doesn't have an overpowering scent, which is, I don't like an overpowering scent on my face. It's just nice. Oh, I do like that. It really is nice one. I do like that. Okay, so we've come to the end of the box, and at the bottom it just says recycle me, and it says beauty starts in your head, not in your mirror. It's like little quotes all the way around the box. Do like that. And there is the www.roccabox.co.uk. They have all of their social media handles, and confidence level selfie with no filter. And there we go. There's another quote for you. Right, okay, so that is the end of the box. If you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel and smash that little like button. And I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!